We'll guide you through how to download Adobe Acrobat Reader for free. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my computer, and so you're wanting to go and download and install the Adobe Acrobat Reader. I'm going to guide you through this step by step, so you can have it on your computer and go and start using it with PDFs. It's got some great features as well, so we're going to guide you through this. Make sure this full guide and don't skip anything, as we're guiding you through important things throughout the whole video. Also go and guide you through how you can go and make it the default PDF app. So when you go and open up PDFs, it goes and uses Adobe Acrobat Reader. So let's go and dive straight into this. What you need to do is you need to go and open up a web browser, whether that's Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, whatever you use, go and open it up. Now what you need to do is come to a search engine, or you can just tap on the bar at the top, as usually that can go and be used as the search engine as well. And what we're going to do is go and type in Adobe Acrobat Reader, like so. You can see at the top here, you may need to go and scroll down in some cases to go and find the result you're looking for. Go and click on it. Now here you can go and read about it. You can see it's the most trusted free PDF viewer. So what you can do here is go and press download Acrobat Reader. Now what's going to happen is going to go and download. In this case, it has been blocked. So I can go and click on it and press download unverified file. I've had it before, it's safe. So now what we need to do is go and install it. We can come out of our web browser, and you want to go and open up your file explorer at the bottom and come to the left and press downloads. And then what you can do is go and find the reader install exe. Double click on it and you get a Windows Security pop-up you need to agree to. And as you can see, here it is. So at the moment it's going and downloading. This shouldn't go and take too long, but it will go and depend upon your internet connection speed. But go and be patient. When it's finished, it will go and install, and as you can see, it's now 100%. And then what you want to do is press finish over to the right, and we can go and set the Adobe Acrobat Reader as the default. So select it and press set default like so. It's now going to go and open up, and we can just go and close it for now. And now if I go and look at my PDFs, they've now got the Adobe icon, and we can go and click on it, and the reader is now going to go and open up, as you can see. Also, what you can do is you can go and close out of it, and you can just go and open up Adobe Acrobat Reader. So I can go and type it in like so, and we can then go and click on it, and it will then go and open up. As you can see your recent PDFs there as well. So that's it. You've now successfully got it on your computer. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides like this.